Callaloo, ackee, sweet potato, yam, banana, and tomato, cabbage, spinach, avocado, chocho, butter, bean, and cocoa, courgette, millet, plantain, rice and peas and pumpkin, mango, dates and guava, chickpeas and cassava.
Many has noted that I have an absence from YouTube, and basically I don't really know why. Well, I know why. I've been ridiculously tired, and I went from uploading a video every single day to it going month between. My apartment was a mess. I had to move things away in order just to make food. Sometimes I got so tired that I randomly fell asleep. Other times I had to just lay down and catch a breath because I just felt exhausted. I just felt like I let everyone down. But I haven't felt useless all the time. I've actually been really active on debates online. I've even made a lot of phone calls trying to figure out, and I've argued, especially a lot with farmers. Mostly I felt like I was surrounding myself with total stupidity, to be honest. I even had my first experience with international journalists.
殺したくないから、動物性を製品を食べられない。それは本当に簡単ですよね。
But what really took the toll on me was actually the Norwegian wolf debate. It's really unscientific. A lot of ad hominem attacks. The conspiracy that wolves has been put out, I asked everyone. Greenpeace, Freemasons, the Russian mafia, even the Norwegian Homeland Security. I got no information from the Norwegian police, though the Swedish police actually could tell me something.
Ja, hej. Ja, jag undrar, vet ni någonting om någon utsättande vargar i Sverige? Ja, urlövligt.
The Swedish police could actually tell me that there has actually been wolves put out in Sweden for a few years back. But this was actually a legal act. It was basically to deal with the insane inbreeding, which actually makes wolf hunting even way more ridiculous than it already is.
Okej, tack så mycket.
Nobody actually knows? Where does this rumor come from? Got a call from the Lofoten Islands telling me that a whaling vessel was chasing them again, so I had to call the Coast Guard.
Ja, jag kommer till Kystvakta. Ja, det var en händelse här med en ny strand uppe i Lofoten.
Besides online activism and going to work, I also kept on studying languages. And speaking of language learning, I actually got a phone call with an opportunity that I certainly could not refuse.
Sí. ¿Para venir a Colombia? Sí, claro.
Colombia is located north in South America, right at the equator. It's actually really known for being extremely loud out in public, which is very different from Norway and quite a polar opposite from Japan. A friend of me is half Colombian and he invited me to live with his family there for 5 weeks, and I came to think of that many Latino Americans has actually come back to me and they say it's so difficult to be vegan in Latin America. So I decided, let's figure out this firsthand. But at this very moment, both me and my computer started to have some memory problems.
Save. This system is running low on memory. No, my blood work is perfect. I mean, it could be Borealis, it could be the antibiotics. I mean, it could even be that I'm overusing my head. I don't know.
One time that I went for a walk, something happened. I got all these images in my head, and I really felt like my absence from YouTube held me back from the process of stopping animal agriculture. The flashes just kept going, and I realized I need to do something. I went back home, and I fell in deep sleep. And the morning after, I started to clean the house. I needed structure and I couldn't live with all that rubbish all around. So I cleaned everything up and I had a bowl of oatmeal.
As you see, I'm only one person that's trying to make it on YouTube with only a minimal amount of subscribers, though I spend as much time as the person that has 10,000 subscribers. But please, my life isn't only YouTube. I spent like 8 months uploading every single day and I'm incapable now. But along that time, I did not study much language, which is something that I'm really interested in doing. After I came back from the school, I haven't worked much on music at all. And I want to have the energy to do this. And I also need time to take care of myself. But I tell you, I will be back with regular uploads, but they're not going to be every single day. And I hope you all understand this. But as you see, I am actually going to Colombia soon, and I am going to bring my camera equipment there. I think we will have something interesting coming up soon. I really hope so.